You're going to die now.
After all this time I spent, I'm dying? I don't think so. I'm going to kill you. You killed my friends and hurt others. I won't let you commit more damage to this world.
Say what you need to say. You won't be able to survive this. Wow. How did you survive that?
Shut up. Just know I'm still killing you. I did it! I actually did it! I avenged my friends and those who got injured. Well, he is dead now. Everyone is safe. Hey you, Robert. I avenged Adam. Don't tell my creator a 120 that I went against the code.